What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera, guys. And okay, guys, so we're gonna read, obviously, the title of, the video is Bitcoin going to crash. Well, it seems like as of this morning, we are getting a major volume increase in Bitcoin. Last night was looking pretty down. We were actually pretty down last night, and of course, we had broken the $54,000 range, which was kind of not critical, but it was pretty important to stay above that range, and we broke down from it last night. And of course, I thought that we were gonna continue to go downward and hit the $53,000 level, which is really the level that where we should have bounced back from. And if we didn't hold the $53,000 level, then we would have obviously seen a downtrend to the $50,000 level. But it looks like last night we broke down, and then we somehow made a recovery this morning. And of course, I was on a trade, and I decided to leave my trade because I saw Bitcoin breaking down, and I didn't see any hopes or any volume for it. And of course, I believe it was the big investors that were dumping down the market so they could buy in and, make their money. Because guess what happened this morning, guys? Well, let's check it out. So this morning, of course, after the major dump on the weekend, we get an article from who? Oh, guess what? JP Morgan. They're gonna be offering Bitcoin. And of course, hours later, couple of hours later, 2-3 hours later, boom, we see a major spike. And that doesn't seem like a coincidence. So we see this whole weekend dump. Boom, 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 boom. We get dumped. And then the article with Morgan Stanley comes out, and a couple hours later, boom, we get a big rise again. So who knows what's gonna happen? I actually lost about $1,500 in this trade. I'm keeping it real, letting you guys know how much I actually lost out on. Total of $1,500, including Ethereum, which I got out of as well because I didn't feel the volume was sufficient enough, in which it's actually been going up. And of course, I sold out at 751 thinking that the volume wasn't gonna hold, and it did end up holding. And well, now I'm in a bit of a pickle. Whether I come back in or not, I'm not sure yet. I may wait for the $60,000 break, or for Bitcoin, and the $19,000 to $2,000 break again on Ethereum in order to come back in a trade. But if you guys are trading right now, keep aware of the critical $57,000 to $61,000 level. This is, as you guys could see in this channel, we need to break above this channel. If we do break above this channel, then we could see upwards of $61,000 to $71,000, which is what has been predicted. I mean, really, if we see the dump from here to here, it was a 12% dump. And then if we do this same from here to here, which is where it ended up dumping, whoops, sorry, there we go. If we see from here to here, we can compare that to the $61,000 range. So boom, we may hit the $61,000 target range. If we hit above that, we could potentially see another 10 to 12% rise around the $61,000 to the $67,000 to $70,000 range. I feel like that's what's going to be happening. As you guys could see, we have the volume right here starting to creep back up. So make sure you guys pay attention to what's going on within the last couple of hours on Bitcoin. Don't get caught in a shady trade. Make sure you read the charts right. Don't be impatient. Wait for critical levels. We got to break above you know, the $60,000 range. If you're already halfway in this trade, then you're doing good. If you went in at the $55,000 level right before the pump, then you're solid. This is right here, guys. This is where you could have gone in. As you could see, right when it dips below this level, and then it hits that, you know, that critical channel that we have drawn out here, you would have been able to catch that spike. I didn't see that one coming. I was sleeping because I'm human, and I missed out on it. But once again, we're halfway there. So if we break above the 61,000, then we're gonna surely see another major spike in Bitcoin. So keep your eyes, your ears, your noses, and everything open, guys, because if you want to make some money, these are the things you got to pay attention to. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, do notification bells, and guys, if you guys want to make some money, make sure you do your due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. And once again, thank you very much for watching, and this is my journey. Once again, truth as always, I'm out of about $1,500, still up over the entire year. So I mean, compared to what I've lost yesterday and compared to what I've made the entire year, is probably no more than 3%. So I'm doing still pretty well. So once again, have a good day, everybody, and we will see you guys on the next one.